just as much as there have been spies and double agents in the ANC who sold us out. The underworld of the regime, apartheid regime, had so many people in their payrolls, which obviously included judges, it included people from all walks of life. So capture is not just of the judiciary alone, but we still remained in a colonial system with a fake democracy, who were still advancing their agenda. However, I think somehow there's an opportunity that we're losing in to some degree, particularly on the issue of Babu Ramaphosa and the capture of the ANC, the famous 1 billion rand sale of the ANC conference, which led to his presidency. Now, we all know that bribery is a crime. If you are to go and pay a bribe, let me give an example of in the municipal appointment or post, and you go and pay a bribe and you get appointed, and that gets to be exposed. Surely that would have been a crime. People would be arrested. When you buy a position and kutholakala. Now, in this instance, they never denied ukuthi we ANC conference. The bribes were paid for the presidency of Ramaphosa. Now, this is a crime. I'm surprised that no one opened a case about this. Whether or not the police would act on it is another story altogether. But we finally vul a case because he never denied that bribes were paid. Even Ubabu Godemantach, they didn't deny it. In fact, it did say, no, yes, Ismail is Apuma, but not as much as it has been claimed. Now, there is prima facie evidence to that effect, which there was a bribery. The bribery took place into the presidency of Ubabu Ramaphosa. Where I'm going with this, I'm going to the issue of the judges, by the way, because they sealed the CR17 documents. Now, if there's supposed to be a case that was opened and the gathering of evidence, those sealed documents, I believe, would have been unsealed if they had to be subpoenaed as part of the evidence towards the bribery case that led to Ramaphosa's presidency. That I think if there was that approach, yokuvula case, tholakale lama documents, and then officially tholakale ukuthi indeed there was a crime that was committed, then those judges who actually sealed it must be charged also for defeating the ends of justice. Because we've got criminals all over who are abusing their power to protect colonialism and apartheid and crime. It's a good thing that we are headed to the international court, where we are likely to get justice compared to South Africa. I'm saying, now, by hook or by crook, we are going to win this battle. Isikhathi salaba bantu, these evil people, is coming to an end, not only in South Africa, but globally. It's definitely coming to an end. As someone who have actually maneuvered and survived a lot of their evil operations, I've seen things in this country as one of the survivors. of their clandestine operations to eliminate people who know certain things in this country. I speak with faith that the fact that some of us are alive, who was a threat and who still remain a threat to the status quo, and survived multiple assassination attempts of their various underworld operations. Now that force and that power that has protected and kept us alive to date is busy awakening people and shaking people and ensuring that this system gets to be exposed. Here's another element. In any revolution, you only stand a chance to win if you've got support of the masses. It goes without saying, EMK is supported by a vast majority in South Africa. We all know we had won these elections and were robbed. They rigged the elections, but they have not rigged the hearts of the people who support the revolution of Umkhonto weSizwe, who have realized ukuthi ubaba uNxamalala is really fighting for the plight of the poor, and the mainstream media of the apartheid of the white manipulated capital, they have demonized him and made him an enemy amongst many people. But now a lot of people support him. So if as long as the majority of the people are on the side of a leader and his ideals, whatever DA and whatever forces are trying to do will not succeed. They will not succeed. As long as the masses are tired and don't want that, they don't have a choice. They don't have a chance. Whether or not the system favors them, and it doesn't matter. We saw what happened to Lula da Silva in Brazil. He was ousted by external forces using his own system. But because the masses were behind him, he's president today. He was jailed and all that, and he got out. And today he's president because that's what the masses wanted. The power lies in the people. If the masses, look at what's happening in Kenya. Ruto is in charge. Obviously, as head of state, is in control of the intelligence, is in control of the army, is in control of the police. But the youth have shut down Kenya because of Samfuni, with all the power that he has. So I'm saying, with everything that is happening, we are taking it step by step. The DA and their imperialist agenda will not last. The only reason why the colonial project lasted was because the leadership of the ANC have sold out and participated into taking us into slumber in the fake democracy. And because of that, people were happy that just because of the few Bill of Rights, a lot of people were all convinced that we are in a new South Africa, in a democracy. And during that slumber, they were busy planning further how to maintain and protect the status quo. The fact that now people are awake, how to maintain and protect the state. The fact that people are now awake and fighting, we are definitely going to overcome. Surely when we get to the international forums, there are countries that are anti-West as well, who sit there as judges. And that is where they will be exposed even more about Zondo and our system, with how corrupt, how evil they are. So, my MK, let's pray for Ubaba Nxamalala, pray for God to protect him, pray for leadership. We've got very competent leaders representing us in parliament. I hear DA have filed in papers NABO against to counter our application to the IEC to try and to electoral court try and push aside our what you call our application for them to rule against it. So that they have to do that anyway, because they have to protect their rigging. They can see that this Katsabo Sibapelele. Guys, we must not doubt that. I can't say much, but one thing I can say without fear is that there's a spiritual force that is busy crushing the satanic order emhlabeni. And South Africa cannot live in a vacuum. The whole world the balance of forces are shifting, because yonke into inesikhathi kuthiwa into engapheli iyahlola. You know, so it's high time that the system has to crumble. It's unsustainable. We can't live with people who steal people's wealth for the benefit of Europe, and cause nations to be poor, while they live at the behest of the minerals of our country. Everything that they are doing is just to enrich them and to keep us poor. The whole world is changing. I say, chance, about Rupert, they must forget it. Yes, they have an influence here, but only for a little while. Sooner or later, they are going to be crushed, because there are many other forces who are anti-West, who have an interest in South Africa and the South African market. We've got a lot of Chinese products in South Africa here. We've got a lot of other interests. So, and remember, a lot of those countries, we've got a long history, nabo, and they know what it means if the Americans manage to kick us out of BRICS. They're not going to allow it. They're not going to sit back and just let these bullies. Xi Jinping and Putin have openly said what they will defend democracy around the world from the bullies that undermine international law. And we know what that means. You know, at the moment we are playing according to the law, but when they start to play dirty, they will meet their match. They will meet their match. It's just that some of us will not understand. When Ubaba issued a statement at the IEC, what they must not announce, they mustn't start trouble. They must not start trouble. Underline that. Ubaba is not a fool. As much as these people are backed by their imperialists, we are not operating in a vacuum as MK. We also have friends.
Enkosi kakhulu Commander, thank you so much for your submission. Nginenkinga ye-network ke imane ngikhiphi ngifaka angifohli abantu engithola bakhona. I'm just a moderator ku-live esinawo. Ma commanders, mina kunento ethi kimi uma ushaya inja kuvela umnikazi wayo. Simangalele i-IEC iphenikiswa yini i-DA ingenaphi? Where do they enter? Bakena kaifa balotsana bale. Uma ushaya inja kuvela umnikazi wayo. Simangalele i-IEC la simangalela nga-DA. So nje iyasikhomba nje lento leyo ukuthi nje kukhona nje ukushaya amanzi nje khona nje izibhitha ama-water. Iyasikhomba nje ukuthi kahle kahle bayazi-expose ukuthi lesandla sesithathu besisisho semfene kulamavoti ukuthi isukaphi kahle kahle. So nje angazi. Host ngicela ukuthi ungisize. I'm not sure ukuthi bekulandela bani. Other moderators blessed. Ngicela ungisize ukuthi bekulandela bani so that sizobanikeza isikhathi bakhulume. Thank you so much for your submission, Commander Mashiman. Thank you so much, Kate.
Thank you, Commander Cindy. Ulentoza ublessed besithi ngu-Commander Director ongenayo. Thank you, Commander Mashimane. Siyabulela baba.
Commanders sanibonani.
Molo Commander.
Hey, siyaphinde siyabuya futhi kulokusile siloseku live. Hey, hayi uyazi lezi esizizwayo manje zihlabahlosile kakhulu lezi ze-DA. Uyazi njengoba esho uCommander Sindi lapho ukuthi ke mangabe ufuna umnikazi wenje ushaya yona uqobo. Seyivela ngokuvela ukuthi ke kahle kahle bayiliphi. Ngempela bangenaphi. Uyazi ngizizwa ngibathungu kwasho ngesisuthu angazi makusho njalo yini. Hey uyazi wenganza kwethu i-direction isibalahlekele. Sibonge kakhulu kumashimane lapha ya. Ukhulumile kakhulu futhi nje wathathe wonke ke amawolitsha bese sakeni lami ngithi ngifuna ukugadla ngawo la. Wawathatha wonke kodwa nje ngizothi nje bakhomanda asiqineni. Sibheke phambili uyabona manje zonke izinto seziyayichaza. Kulesi sikhathi esikusona kufuneka sisebenze kakhulu nganza kwethu sikhulekeni. Siphahle makuthiwa kufuneka siphahlile senze yonke into kufuneka siyenzile. Hayi devil is a liar. Devil is a liar. Labantu bale abasibamba iminyaka ngeminyaka sihlukumezekile bayitshela ukuthi ke sebesitholile cha bakhohliwe angeke basasenza lutho manje siphethe abakhulu thina njengoba sikwi-BRICS nje
WNP sibingelele kumlaleli woKhozi FM dlale
askis njengoba silapha kuyilokwana kwi-BRICS isho ngokusobala ukuthi ke i-direction thina esibheke kuyona siyayazi futhi siyayazi into okuyiyona yona esiyifunayo emnandi kakhulu leyo ukuthi ke wonke lamazwe esihwebelana nawo especially China kube iRussia kube namanye ke o-India nobani bani wonke lawo mazwe lawo awezi ahlezi lapha ayibheka lonto eyenzekala eSouth Africa and awazi ukuyivumela into ukuthi kube khona okumoshakalayo because ubudlelwano bethu nabo bukhulu kakhulu phela sisuka ukuthi kakhulu neRussia iRussia yasiqeqeshela amasosha lapha bakithi futhi yasinikeza nekhalisalwa silwa wona uhulumeni wencindezelo lo so manje uma ngabe bona becala ukuthi mhlawumbe sisodwa siphethwe le imperialist ekhona manje hayi abafana abancane noRupert no Oppenheimer bangabantwana bakwethu uyabona umhlaba mawunyakaza kanje ikona sekuthanda kakhulu sizolosihleli nje siphethe sincunce amadana abantwana lapha nasibuka imovie because ayikakakhalo enganza ukuthi isazokhala wayishilo ke iphiqiphiqi lelungizwe lathi ayikhale namanje siyasho sithi hayi ayikhale sihlezi nje mfantu emva komnyango sibheke emfantwini kanje silinde nje ivoice kaBaba ukuthi athi ke hayi u1 no2 sizongena lapha bese ngingena masinyane kuleya yelokhungana yabantu abagijimela izikhundla cha webafowethu thina siyayazi into esiyilwelayo silwela ukuthi thina umuntu omnyama akhululeke sithola umhlaba akekho umuntu oyobe selwela isikhundla mangabe sesithole umhlaba wethu ngoba sonke sobe sesiyazenzela uma ngabe kuukuthi umhlaba ubuyile akekho uyophinda khale naba overseas manje bayobuya beze kuwo lo mhlaba lo esizobe siusebenza thina ngezandla zethu hayi ukuthi silazy it's because we've got limited limited equipment ufuneka siwasebenzise nanokuthi ke asikwazi ukuthi ngeke uthenge umhlaba wemiliyoni kufuneka phela utshale kulomhlaba wemiliyoni okanye ugubhe lo uzoyithola phi equipment yokwenza lokho uyabona nje umhlaba masingawuthola nganza kwethu kuyoba lula konke futhi ke nje ngithi hayi qhubekani imkhonto wesizwe siqhubekani bafowethu asiyibambeni ishisi njalo abakwagogo nalabanye abamhlophe kodwa bebe nebala lethu bazogcina besijoyinile uma ngathiwa re-election siyaya full force futhi kuyofuneka siqale manje nganza kwethu siyiphushe yonke lento ngoba egcineni umnotho wethu nezingane zethu lo angibonge
Siyabulela Commander Director. Cindy, I'm not taking over from you siswami. Ndifuna nje ungenela ukuthi ndi-encourage abantu ukuthi bayisayinele ya petition andazi ukuthi mina ayibona la bengike ngayiposta because ndiyabona kukhona neye-ANC ilento za i-petition ethi demand the disqualification of Andile Mngxitama from the South African Parliament. Already when I say about 2,556. So we need to protect Honorable Mngxitama by any means possible. He needs support yethu as amalungu MK. so ngizawucela ukuthi siyisayineni leyo nantsika leyo petition thina le ethi thina hands off ulento u-Andile honorable Andile Mthama. Please guys, benke nazama uyiposta apha qha ingathi yandalela andazi ukuthi ithi settings zenze ntoni, but ngizakwenza nje ipost enzayifaka apha kwi-timeline yami abantu bazokwazi ukuthi bayifumane khona. Enkosi. Siku-Commander Thulani, ungangena Commander Thulani, and then Commander Cindy unga-take her over, ndiyayithanda energy yakho.
Andiswa, sanibona njani?
Siyaphila Commander Thulani, unjani wena?
Hey, blocked on my other account just by talking on your TikTok by
okay, good. Yes, she.
Yes.
Oh, no, na i-backup. Ubune backup.
No backup on the other.
Sorry. Ubune backup okanye ubune nansi.
No i-backup.
I-account oqeda ukuyi-create. Oh, okay. Siyabulela.
What they did, bangitshela ukuthi ngikhulume something violated their right. Somebody complained. Somebody complained. So I'm bad until May 26th.
Yo. Hayi bazama ngendlela zonke guys ukublocker yonke into ethi MK emhlabeni.
Exactly. So how are you not blocked? I mean, I'm blocked. Mele ungifundise ukuthi how do I remove that?
Andiyazi nami kodwa ngike ndizifumana warnings vele ezitshoyo xa kungabe especially masibiza amagama wabantu babagogo ndiye ndizifumana warnings zokuthi sidiscussa ilento za i-content inappropriate.
Okay.
But andikaze bengikaze ndiblockwe for now.
No, bank block. I was just saying this is my other account. If I'm a comrade and Nemibuzo, Cecil meeting in my head office, must that I will check inboxes on this account as well. And then I'll inbox you.
Okay.
I think you took my number, right?
No, best right chat number yakho inbox because besifuna ukuthi usicreate ilento ze WhatsApp group yabantu abahost lives ukwenza ukuthi uzomane usinikeze update xa sisize ebantwini besibuza izinto sikwazi ubaphendula.
No, I will do that. Ngicela inbox your number when mathola i-chance. Then I will come.
All right, ke bhuti wami siyabulela.
Obisile sawubona sisongibulisayo. Ngicela ukubaleka ke ngiyabonga kakhulu. Bye.
All right, enkosi Commander. Cindy, Commander Cindy ukhona? Yeah, unyanisile uGoddess uthi guys ngcono sibabizene izilwane icebo sithi uyabona esisilwane esisine mpumulo enkulu because kaloku abafuni ngamagama wabo ngoba bayasilento bayasiblock. Commander Mpisi masize kuwe Commander. Yo.
Commanders, angazi noma ngiyezwakala yini ndawo ngiyona ithanda ukuba ne-network ebhendayo. Aha. Hayi, ngithokozisa ukuthi ngilalela uMashimane lapha. Elinarrate enza konke njengenjwayelo. Indoda engicitha buthopho ke liyana. Injalo nje futhi. Indoda edlule emweni, so indoda eyaziyo ukuthi ikhuluma ngani. So njengomuntu esimaziyo ke kuyasichazela sibeke esithombeni ukuthi usafari kangakanani in terms of usafarishwa abantu bakagogo even nje eSouth Africa leyo nkani. So he's one of the men, is a prominent member eSouth Africa leyo ngayithatha kancane wena. Indoda ebaluleke kakhulu. Kodwa ke masi la asandile ngokugqamisa phela ukuthi singobandi kanjani. Kodwa sikwazi ngesiphusha i-agenda yokuthi i-MK ifuneka ikusizwe ngoba iloko phela okufunwa yithina sonke and iloko abantu abakuvotelile. And we cannot allow igebengu zithathizwe, not anymore. Lokho abakwenzile benze okufanele vele mabeyovala ngoba kumele bezame, kumele ba-impress ama-bosses wabo nabo, and kumele bayivikeleke bona ngoba bamhlophe. All they're doing it so that bezokwazi ukuyivikela, because bayazizwa izigi zendoda ukuthi zikhale eduzane kakhulu. Bayazizwa izigi za-Commander Jacob Zuma zidla emva kwabo, and banefiye engasukumi phansi. They don't know what to do anymore. So abaye bayovimba, imagine nje bagijima bayongena odabeni lokuthi bayovimba indaba ye-MK. Bangobani bona ukwenze njalo? Bebehlangana naphi khona? I like it the way ayibeke ngayo lo shaya inja kuvela umnikazi wayo. Sesiyabona ukuthi dile nobani. Sesiyabona ukuthi dile nobani, and kanjalo siyokwenza sure ukuthi amasokisi siyawanyusa. Ngoba laba kufuna be-exposiwe and kufuna sibabeke endaweni yabo. Ngokebala labo, i-white supremacy is coming to an end. Iyaphela indaba yalo leyo. We cannot allow it anymore. Sizolibusa leli lizwe ngendlela esifuna ngayo. Ukuthi nje sizohamba step ne-step ngale ndlela ubaba siyalela ngayo. Kulula kanjalo nje. So I'm not gonna sengisesisikhathi ngilapha, ngifuna nje ukuthi ngincome lapha uMashimane ubeke konke njengenjwayelo, uhlale esibeka esimeni sokuthi sithole sizibone sivuleka sinolwazi nge-vocabulary yethu oluningi njengandoda enamava. So siyabonga kakhulu, ngiyacela ukuthi ngidadele nje abanye ngizolalela. Ngiyabonga.
Siyabonga Commander Mpisi, thank you baba. Masize kuwe Commander Nkosazana.
Angibingelele ma-commanders kwi-panel and nakuma-comment sections. Hayi Commander, ngingenele nje indaba ka-Andile Mngxitama. It's not much engathi ngikungenele. Seriously, we have to sign a petition le oyishoyo ukuthi hands off to Andile Mngxitama, because u-Andile Mngxitama, what was he fighting for kwi-AfriForum leyo? He was fighting for land, of which nathi ilonto esiyilwelayo. And uyi-commander, a good standing commander kwi-MK, and a hard-working person. Thina kithi there's nothing ake wayenza engenza ukuthi then simdedele kanjalo. Ithulusi esilidingayo to build i-MK. How can ukuthi ke singayekelela umuntu onjalo as ama-MK members? We will fight. If they instigating a war for that, we will do so. Because abakwazi ukuthi thina sithi sibonile ukuthi ufanele ukuba i-MPs yethu abe kwi-legislature, then bona bafike sebethi as law asimfuni. I saw this thing where it started. It started with social media on Facebook. Bekhuluma besho whatever that they like, but I thought ukuthi bakhuluma ngoba, and this thing is very much deeper. I'm sorry njengoba uthula nishongwe nangu uphumile. This thing ga Andile Mngxitama, they have to ukuthi bayilandelele kakhulu, baye deeper nayo, bangayibheki la phezulu ukuthi it's only about this thing. Into kaMngxitama ijulo ngangokuthi because of this 90 people abala ngeke ngikwazi ukuyi-explaina yonke, but ukube besama commander only wo MK ala ku live, I was going to explain it ukuthi ibhekeni la nala nala ama loopholes wayo ala nala nala. It's hurtful ke ma commanders if kuukuthi there are people among us abazoba yi-poison, a venom poison. Ngoba lento ipuchuka from kuthini. So let's fight it, guys. Angeke size sivume ngayo and angeke azaphume eParliament. There is nothing wrong ake wayenza. Even the case yayo i-African Forum, why winner? So yini problem? Yes, we want the land back. Lento yena ifunayo ayayilwela before. That's what we want. I-DA izusitshela ukuthi senzeni and asizukuzwa ngamabhunu ukuthi usenzeni in our father's land. They have to know that. See, nabo, they don't want us as black. Why should ukuthi si hide? Nabo, if they see us as ilwane. bangakho abantu abagqitshwa emaplazini abulawa umuntu agqitshwe bangakho abantu abagqitshwa emakhishini umuntu ade sebenza i-gardening boy umuntu ade sebenza domestic worker then abulawe after agqitshwe ubani osuke ebulawe is it a white ibhunu umuntu omnyama igazi lomuntu omnyama elisuke libulawa amabhunu but ibona they are too personal ukuthi everything kumele kuthiwe hayi ngoba uthe kill the boer hey ayibo asizukudlala amabhunu the time ends now yokuthi amabhunu bacabanga ukuthi bona they control us kuyo yonke into siyabonga makhomanda
Enkosi Commander Nkosazana for a powerful submission yakho. Basiqhela kakubi nyana lento amabhulu EDA esifihle emva kwegama lokuthi bayi-DA kodwa siyabazi ukuthi bayi-National Party. And yona nto ingathi yangicaphukisa sendibona nalapha kwi-Nanska kwi-social media nabofikile Mbalula sebeyipostile indaba yokuthi u-Andile Mchama makananzike
His command ukungena they are puppets we have to understand lama people let's say so because singaze sivalisa ulife wakho ngoba bazoreporta wena those people they are hungry mongers noma power mongers firstly abafuna imali angithi then badlile vele from white capitalists whatever they say they should do bazokwenza awukwazi ukuthi mina ngikhokhela imali yami ebese mase ngithi sebenza hacks bese wena uyahluleka ukusebenza vele bazokwenza as they signed iGNU they didn't sign it because of befuna ukuthengisa ngezwe but they didn't have a choice ukuthi kumele iGNU bayisayinile that's what's happening now ku-Andile Mngxitama they have to sign that petition basho ukuthi uAndile Mngxitama akaphume ngoba vela ngithi bona bayahola laphaya ukuze baphile kumele badle laphaya kwi-white capitalist and leyo izobanga a civil war among black on blacks because we won't allow abofikile Mbalula and control us emkhontweni wesizwe and tell us what to do and not asilawulwa yibo abagcina ukulawula le kuma-political parties wabo nathi we will control our political parties ngendlela yethu esicontrola ngayo we will do our mandate we won't follow ukuthi any party thini so le it's just going to cost a havoc from a parliament till kwi-ground force ezinye izinto kufuna bayibheke si-tired yibo we've been patient and trying to hold ourselves kakhulu kabi so siyabacela ukuthi abangasipush in that point ukuthi size sithi we are tired ngiyabonga
yo uyavakala Nkosazana yo guys no ziyadisturb ezinye izinto esizibonayo especially bazibuye ebantwini abamnyama abantu abamnyama befanele bangabona abantu ba-protectanayo ngoba seyicacile le fight ukuthi about abantu abamhlophe against abantu abamnyama but abantu abamnyama abantu abansundu basebhizi bakhetha icala labelungu andiyazi-ke ukuthi bazawude bavulekene namehlo unibona nimane njonga apha kule nto zaku-Twitter ishushu indaba ye-petition ethi uAndile makasuswe phaa eParlamente yenansi post kaloku kaMbalula into eyenza ukuthi ndipoyintane noMbalula okwangoku ndihlale apha kuye kukuthi kaloku ngulo ebekwabona echwechwe siyenkandla so ithini into yakhe edibanise nokuthi abe yi-hypocrite ithini ke into yakhe ke ufuna le nto zelenkandla into lamane siyaphaa kuyo eyela xa kanti uzawuphinda abuye kwi-social media azolahlekisa abantu ngoba ngoku I'm sure le clip kale nto sorry guys ka-Andile andiyazi uba wayithetha ngantoni but ngicela ukuthi siyimameleni sizoyi-understandani ukuthi yintoni le bathi makayigxothelwe eParliament. And if icase ke le endala ekwakudala wayiwinayo kuthiwa wayebanjiswe i-AfriForum ngoku. Okay, ya ndiyayiva inantsi ividiyo yakhona nento wayithetha phaa. Andizukuyitsho, andizuphinde ndiyiphinde into wayithetha ngelaa xesha because kwakuyikheyisi awayiwinayo lentozini ecourt. And ngoku ndiyayazi ukuthi mhlawumbi ndizayitolika le nto ayithethayo and then konye umntu izawungena ngenye indlela ayithathayo isasaza kwabakhe ngenye indlela. So ngcono siyiyeke, onomdla wayo uyawuzikhangelela kwilentos kwi-social media azimamelele ukuthi wayitheni, but wayiwina ke ikheyisi yalihlamba igama lakhe yathi akanatyala. So akanatyala, that's why utata uZuma wamthatha wamfaka eParliament. Qha ngoku baphazamisekile, imimoya emdaka iphazamisekile ukuthi lo mntu upassionate kangaka about kule nto zokubuyisa umhlaba ebantwini useParliamente ngoku, ithetha ukuthi sineenkinga ezininzi eziphaa eParliamente. Uyaqonda, sebezama ke ukwenza weak itimu yethu le esiyithumele izolo phaa eNantscape eParliamente, but ke up to thina ke ngoku ukuthi siyisayine ile nto zale petition kwenza ukuthi angaendaphi kuthiwa ke abathe makagxothwe eParliamente bawinile over thina. So ndizawucela ukuthi senzeni kangangoko sinako. Singalibali ukuthi xa usoyisayinile kuphinde kufike laa email yokuthi uconfirm ukuthi yes ndim lo uyisayinileyo inantsika i-petition. Honorable Andile Mngxitama udinga i-protection yethu guys as i-members ze-MK. The real man Commander Mpisi Cindy uthe xaka phaa phezulu.
Siyabo. Oh, okay.
Okay, all right. Let me say this. I'll just add on what you were saying. You know, unity as Black people, you know, I look at us and say, you know, we are a lost nation as Black people because, guys, there's a lot of us in this country, a lot of us. To have EDA as the